friends, my name is Shuag Yerushav. Today our topic is data rate and limits. Introduction. Data rate is measured in bps, bit per second. It determines how fast digital information is transmitted. Example: Wi-Fi data rates, LTE mobile data, Ethernet speeds. Key concepts: bandwidth, frequency range available for transmission, SNR, ratio of signal strength to background noise, channel capacity, maximum data rate a channel can support. Practical constraints: hardware limitation, noise and interference, transmission media, copper, fiber, wireless, regulatory limits on spectrum use. Real world application: Wi-Fi affected by interference and bandwidth, 5G high bandwidth and improved SNR, fiber optic very high bandwidth and low noise, satellite communication limited by long distance and noise. Summary: data rate depend on bandwidth, SNR and signal levels. Nequoids: noiseless limit. Xenon: noise channel limit. Real system balance both constraints. Thank you.